How to fix 0x80070643 Windows update or installation error on Windows. This video guide covers two sections that would help you resolve the 0x80070643 error on your Windows. Section 1, 0x80070643 error in Windows Update. Install the latest .NET Framework. Run an SFC scan, SFC/scano, on your computer, admin mode. Install the updates manually via Microsoft Update Catalog at http://www.catalog.update.microsoft.com. Update your Windows Defender. Antivirus manually. Disable your antivirus software temporarily. Other tips are, run these commands as admin. Netstop wowserve netstop bits rename c:\windows/soft twa redistribution software distribution.bog netstart wowserve netstart bits netstop cryptsvcmd system root /system 32 /catro2.old scopy system root /system 32 /catro2 system root /system 32 /catro2.old /s run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Install Windows updates in boot state. Section 2, 0x80 0x80070643 error during a program installation. Restart your computer. Restart the Windows installer service. Repair and install.net. Framework.